Getting the best fuel economy from your car or four-wheel drive is a concern for all vehicle owners. Whether you're getting around town on your daily commute or adventuring hundreds of kilometers on a road trip. So, what are the most effective ways to improve your car's fuel economy? It is crucial that you stay on top of regular maintenance of your vehicle's air and fuel systems to maintain engine economy. An old air filter that is full of debris and dust will starve the engine of the required air it needs to make power and run efficiently. Make sure that your car's air filter has been replaced. It's a simple job most people can do themselves or have their local mechanic do. Ryco's air filters are Australian lab tested and are superior performing in all three areas of efficiency, life, and flow. The same goes with a dirty or clogged fuel filter. Restricted fuel flow forces the engine to work harder to maintain speed, often resulting in an incorrect and inefficient air-fuel mixture. It can also cause sluggish acceleration, engine stumbling, rough idling, and if ignored, engine failure. So check and see when your fuel filter was last changed. Ryco offer a range of fuel filters for most vehicles, providing reliable performance and lower running costs. Ask your local mechanic about your options. The correct tyres and correct tyre pressure makes a huge difference to fuel economy. Choose a tyre with low rolling resistance and make sure you keep them at the correct PSI. Lower PSI increases the rolling resistance and creates higher drag. And for you 4x4 drivers, while off-road mud tyres have their place for the serious 4x4 enthusiast, these tyres are terrible for around town and road trips on paved roads. Aggressive thread, heavy weight, and high rolling resistance makes these ones to avoid on the daily. Cleaning your diesel's intake also improves fuel economy by removing carbon buildup, allowing the engine to breathe efficiently. Installing a catch can, like the Ryco RCC360, prevents future buildup of oil vapor from EGR gases, maintaining your fuel efficiency and preventing costly engine damage. Finally, you can help fuel consumption by adopting a different driving style. Accelerate smoothly, maintain a steady speed, and coast to slower speeds where safe to do so. Try out these fuel economy tips, and when it's time for your next service, Ryco has you covered with a wide range of filters to suit your vehicle.